In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to understand the dangers of these pop-ups by the site Restorerenewedgreatlytheproduct.vip. So this is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome browser right now. This deceptive site is not related to Google Chrome. Instead, all these pop-ups by Restorerenewedgreatlytheproduct.vip are the result of some adware enabled in your system or in your browser, and these pop-ups try to promote some potentially unwanted software. For instance, they may promote certain extensions for the Google Chrome browser, and such extensions are not decent. They may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. Anyway, you shouldn't trust these pop-ups and stay away from interacting with them. I recommend you to just leave this page. And another thing I recommend you to do is to access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, you should get rid of them. I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best solution to get its latest version is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your system to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on your computer.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.